How about versus what about? Two questions with sometimes different meanings. In this video, I will tell you when you can use how about or what about and when we can use both of them. Sometimes you might get confused because you might ask, are they the same? Are they different? To be honest, sometimes they have the same meanings, but sometimes they are totally different. Do you know why? Stay with me in this video. I am Bahar and I love to teach English, so welcome to the third lesson of our English journey. If you want to watch the other lessons too, you can click the links right on top, and I will put the links in the description too. Alright, let's dive in. I want to tell you when you can use how about or what about, and sometimes you can use both of them because sometimes they have the same meanings. Now what you're waiting for? Let's watch it, learn it. First things first, let me tell you a summary of today's video. How about is used when we want to suggest something or recommend something new. And we use what about to mention an obligation or when we want to talk about a problem. As you can see, they are different in these two kind of situations. But sometimes if you want to ask the person the exact question that they just asked you in these two kind of situations, you can use either of these questions because they have the same meanings. Let me tell you a little bit easier. We use how about to suggest an action or sometimes to start talking about some possibilities. And you have to know that how about can be followed by ing form of our verb or by a pronoun and infinitive. For an example, are you getting bored? Yes, how about going to a museum tonight? Example number 2. I know you miss swimming. How about we go to a swimming pool today? That is exciting! As you can see, we use how about to suggest an action. Okay, let's move on to the question what about. As I said, when we use what about, we are mentioning an obligation or a problem. Look at this example so you can understand what I'm talking about. Hey, let's spend the weekend in the city. What about my piano lesson on Saturday? That's no problem, you can talk to your teacher and reschedule it. But what about my maths exam on Wednesday? Oh, come on, you can study it before we start packing. Did you see? What about is used to mention a problem or an obligation. How about and what about are both correct when we want to ask the same question back to the other person. For example, hey, did you enjoy the show? Yes, how about you? Of course, it was brilliant. The second example, do you like to read this novel? For sure, what about you? No, I don't like horror stories. Okay guys, it's your turn. I will ask you a question and you can comment down and answer the question for me. You can answer with how about, what about, or both of them. Are you ready? Let's go. The first conversation. It's a beautiful day. Are you on a vacation? Yes, I am. No, I'm a student here. And practice number 2. Shall we go to a theater tonight? I don't know. Okay guys, I will wait for your answers in the comments. Also, if you have any questions, you can comment down below. I will definitely answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you will get notified every time I post a new lesson. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye. Have a nice day.